I'm Ejasu from Unless. Today we'll check out how you can highlight job role specific information on your content pages to increase conversions. Let's start with when you might need this. If your blog pages are performing well, you should make sure to get the most out of them. You can do this by keeping readers engaged and getting them to the next stage. How can that be? Does your product pitch change depending on your customer's job title or function? Then consider this recipe to personalize your content recommendations and CTAs for different visitor types. Segmenting your visitors is the first step. Email addresses that you collect on your website via demo forms, webinar signups, and so on can be enriched within Unless with additional data points, including things like employment title, role, and seniority. This allows you to create audiences such as leads that have finance in their title, recruiters, executives, CTOs, and more. Like with most audiences created in Unless, you can choose to go with broad categories or more specific, narrowed down audiences. Then, it's time to see what can be optimized on your website. Your headline is a good place to start. Let's say you provide marketing automation software. Your product is primarily targeted at marketers, but it requires a technical implementation, and so you often need to communicate with and convince the IT decision makers as well. Your headline for CMOs can be focused on your product's return on investment, the all-in-one marketing platform proven to double ROI in 1 quarter, while CTOs and technical leads can see secure and easy to integrate. Find out why IT leaders love our software. Here's another idea. Got your visitors' attention with a personalized headline? Keep them hooked with relevant content recommendations. Is your visitor a marketer? Display customer success stories and blog posts with best practices. Do they work in IT? Leverage personalization to draw them to important documentation or content that will speed up the buy-in process. You can highlight different types of content using Unless components like sideboxes and content blocks. And lastly, add a little nuance to your CTAs. If you are talking to different stakeholders, then your sales cycle may be a bit longer. Use personalization to customize CTAs and speed up the process. For instance, visitors with an IT-related title may want to talk to an integrations expert, while marketers may want to schedule a demo instead. And to wrap it up, let's take a look at an example. This time from our very own website. We set up an overlay on our blog pages to encourage interested visitors to book demos. Since they're on the blog and have been reading more about Unless, we already know they're interested. From our experience, we also know that the requests and questions a lead has varies depending on their position at a company. First, let's take a look at the CCO example. We know that this group is focused on getting more leads and being able to target them effectively. And being in sales themselves, they like having a chat first instead of diving straight into a demo. And so the CTA button for this audience is Talk to Sales. In the second example, we are looking at CTOs who often want to know how easy a solution is to implement. And they want to know whether it's secure and scalable in the long run. For that reason, they like seeing a product in action. Hence the CTA Book a Demo. That's it for this week's recipe. Until next time.